the beautiful metallic, blue metallic Edward. You guys might remember this one. Today he is heading to the post office and is going to be on a flight to Singapore. One of our fans, subscribers, bought this model engine. Thank you very much. So here is the shipping label to Singapore, the value of the product, and our friend paid $24.50 shipping to Singapore, and I hope his or her kid loves this model engine. And so I did not play or make it run across the tracks, but it's never played on the track once I painted on metallic blue. So I hope you like this model engine when you get it on Singapore. Thank you. Bye.